knowledge brings the gleaming confidence, embracing enlightenment in one's conscience, liberating our future young minds. With these lines, a very enthusiastic morning to respected judges, respected teachers, and my dear friends. This is Arvind Third from Shiksha Bharati School and is going to speak in motion of dummy schools. Now, what are dummy schools? Dummy schools are a type of schools which provide you the platform to prepare for competitive exams. They provide you time enrichment, and that's why our dummy students, even after studying for 15 to 16 hours, still have leisure time. According to a research conducted by IIT Delhi, students who took coaching classes and dummy schools performed better than who did not. Hence, we get the opinion that dummy schools have more enhanced success rates than regular schools. So, if you are serious about your preparation, you should opt for dummy school. After analyzing the gravity of situation, the top coaching institutes of my nation, that are Alan and Akash, I found out that in JEE examination, Alan's 45 students got All India rank under 100. 80 students got All India rank under 200 and 195 students got All India rank under 500. And Akash produced 10,000 IITs this year. In the case of NEET exam, 1.75 lakh students were qualified from the Allen Institute and 87,000 students were qualified from Akash Institute and 20 to 30,000 of them become doctors in government medical colleges. These students showcase their extraordinary skills in singing, dancing, public speaking, and whatnot in their college fest like Anvesha and Saran. This proves that dummy schools don't hinder their social development and hence dummy schools cannot be an hindrance for their holistic development. Today in my nation, 50% of the unicorn startups are founded by IITians. Top doctors are from AIIMS and MNCs. These invite medical tourists to my nation, which shows that dummy students not only facilitate in the economy and technology sector, but they also play a pivotal role in boosting my nation's economy. As per Albert Einstein, schooling is not necessary for achieving excellence, and excellence can be achieved without schooling. See, dummy school is not for all. It is only for those who are very passionate about their dreams and who have the zeal in them to pursue their dream. If you want to achieve what most cannot, you have to do what most cannot. India is a country which is one of the most youngest country in the world, but still our youth is distracted today. So it is the responsibility of we, the young generation of India, to establish India as a global superpower. When we long for life without difficulties, we should remember that oaks grow better in the contrary, and the best diamonds and winds are found under pressure. So keep hard working with perseverance because the door of success is waiting for your entrance. Thank you. That's all.